Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be solving our next problem, SQL problem number 36. It says we have to find the employee who has worked for multiple departments over time. Okay, so it happened like when employees switch from one department to another department. Okay, so we have to find that employee who has worked in multiple departments. Okay? For example, they are in IT sector, or they might be into software branches, also in uh, in technical department, right? So if anyone worked in more than one department ID, we consider them as they have worked in multiple departments, right? So we have the department history. So we have the employee ID and the employee department. So you can see we have employee ID 101. For 101, we have the department ID 10 and we have the department ID 20. So it means this employee 101 has worked in two departments, that is 10, and again then it is a 20. So then we have the 102 who has only worked in one department. Then 103, both time it has worked in 30 departments. Then for 104, we can see we have the different departments, 40, 50 and 60, right? So how we will do that? The first step is uh, the only common thing is the employee ID, right? So I will group them on the basis of the employee ID. Then I will count number of the department IDs that is present for that particular employee ID. Okay, see here. So I will select the employee ID because I just want the employee ID as my output. Then from this table, then I will group by on the basis of the employee ID. So I will group it. Okay, so see here how I can do this. I will do the grouping part like this, and this. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. Okay, then I will count the number of the department IDs, not only simple count. We have to count the distinct ID. So here you can see two. We have one here, where again we have one because we are counting for the distinct values, different values. Then here we have three. Okay. So we will put a condition. So whose department ID, count of department ID is greater than one. We will consider that. Okay. Is this greater than one? No, no, and yes. Only two IDs will be displayed to us, that is 101 and 104. Got it? So what your query says. So we have first initially group by on the basis of the employee ID. Then we will measure count of the distinct ID whose count is greater than one. It means they have worked in multiple sectors, they have worked in multiple departments. Got it? It's very simple question. Okay. So I have created the table here. You can clearly see I created a table in which I input the employee ID on just the department ID. So then I insert some of values. Then just to display it to you, I have run this query. So you can clearly see my database here. It has some IDs and the department ID. Got it? Then we have the another file. That says we have to select the employee ID from this table. Firstly, what we have to do, we have to do the group by. Then I will count. We will use the aggregate function here. That means I have to count the distinct IDs. And if the count of distinct department ID is greater than one, it means that particular employee has worked for multiple departments. And we will get the output. So you can see the output here. We are getting the department 101 and 104. If you're still facing any issue, just comment it down. Do like it, share, and subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned.